Good afternoon, good evening, YouTube. Dave here, bringing you another daily video blog after these messages. Good afternoon. How you all doing today? Hopefully you're doing okay. It's Dave here, bringing you another daily video here at Life at the Farmland, deep in the heart of Texas. We're out here still doing the watermelon. We're still doing the watermelon. We haven't even started at a quarter of the land, and we're picking up a good bounty, a good 150, maybe 200 tractor trailers full, going out nationwide to help feed the United States, send them super sweet watermelons. You can have a treat when you come home from work and enjoy a watermelon that was homegrown deep in the heart of Texas. Ain't too much going on now. It just so happened that I get a Well, I had a phone call. Somebody was going to be out here. Since we have a problem with hogs right now, I shot 2 hogs the other night, took it home, got some good meat out of it. We're having problems with wild hogs because they're pretty much destroying the watermelon. Looks like a vehicle back there that I had not seen, but it might be something else. Anyways, the watermelon production is going well. Production is going up. I'm gonna meet up with a person right now that specializes in tracking hogs, and that's when that's when this video is gonna be over. So we've done pretty well. We've got the sprayers out here doing their job. They're pretty much fumigating because we want to make sure that there's no type of plague, there's no type of changes in the watermelon, in the plant itself. We don't want it to be destroyed by some insects, or it's not made for wild animals, so it's not made to kill animals in any way. It's made to kill the insects, which is also is a contribution to destroying these watermelons. We need to keep these watermelons as healthy as possible, because that's how we can enjoy them. Anyways, I am expecting a tractor. It's gonna come by in a bit, and we're gonna see if he can go ahead and locate some hogs for us, and we'll see what happens. Other than that, I've got no information about the coronavirus going on. I haven't spoken with my friends in the Philippines or in Thailand. I've tried calling them. Their phones are down. Both countries. That's kind of weird, but maybe it's just a priority or a requisite to bring in the traffic down so people are not stuck on the phone all the time. But other than that, I got nothing to report other than that I took an aerial view of the progress of the watermelons and the tractor that was doing the spraying. But other than that, it's just a pretty much normal vlog for today. I want to thank you for viewing this video, and if you like it, like and share this video, and put a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm expecting some better videos, but I'm expecting some camera equipment to come in the mail. It should be in the mail within these few days. Takes a little while to get here, but it'll be here soon. Other than that, y'all have a good day. Stay safe. Stay away from the coronavirus. Stay away from people. If you feel that you're not safe around people, then stay home until all this stuff blows over. And y'all have a good day, and God bless.